This is not your typical summer Friday. It is earnings season blowout Friday, and this is your morning jolt. A lot of big earnings. I'll hit it right from the top. Microsoft blew Wall Street estimates away after the bell Thursday evening. Key action alerts plus holding. So shout out to the team for some more killer research. Anyway, look at this earnings call. Bullish on cloud, business is accelerating. Bullish on many other areas, gaming, hybrid cloud, just a business that is firing on all cylinders. CEO Satya Nadella has really reinvigorated this company. LinkedIn, another big quarter. Can't help but to think GitHub is going to be a big business once that deal closes. Microsoft is going to be hard to sell this name. Next up, General Electric. Those numbers just hit the wire. Mixed emotions. They beat on earnings, they beat on sales, but digging into the numbers, you're a little worried on how the business performed. You didn't get the sense that the business is materially turning the quarter, but hey, you never know. The early reaction on GE is probably not the right reaction. You have to get on the earnings call. You have to really drill into numbers. The reaction on Monday and Tuesday and next week will probably be truly what Wall Street is thinking. Myself and Anders Kites will be talking to GE CFO Jamie Miller a little later on today, learn more about the results, what she has planned for the rrest of the year. Very excited about that. We'll have pieces following an interview in the afternoon, so tune in. Lots of cool stuff. Next up, Deep Thought of the Day. Deep Thought of the Day is Apple. Got a note from Goldman Sachs in my inbox. I'm very curious on why Goldman is looking for a 14.5% decline in Apple stock over the next 12 months. They continue to be very bearish on Apple. And I was looking through their modeling. Sorry, I can't help myself. I'm a former stock analyst here. They're looking for very inline things like profit margins and earnings. They're a little bearish on the average selling prices of Apple's products. I think that's where this is coming from. But Apple's core is going to probably be okay. Not as strong as Microsoft because you're seeing a slowdown in the smartphone market, but a little interesting on Goldman's call, especially if Apple comes out and buys billions of dollars in stock. Something to keep in mind. Last up around TheStreet. I talked to CEO of Tilray, Brendan Kennedy, after their smoking hot IPO. Sorry, I can't help myself. It's a cannabis company. The shares rose 31% on Thursday. First day of trading for this cannabis company. I came away pretty positive on Brendan Kennedy and what the company's trying to do. This is definitely not your normal cannabis company. We've seen a lot of jokesters in this industry. Tilray is not one of them. I think they have a very clear focus. They're looking at partnerships. They seem very, very legitimate in growing their business. Oh, I just got it. So Tilray, watch out for them. I wouldn't be surprised to see more action in them, and even longer term, I wouldn't be surprised if somebody just comes out and acquires them, like a drug company or a food and beverage company, because that's where you're seeing cannabis going. They're getting into infused drinks, creams. We have a cool piece by executive editor of Real Money, Daria Solovyeva, looking at the expansion of cannabis. So I encourage you to check that out. That hit midweek, but it's really, really cool. And that is your morning jolt. I gotta get back to earnings. Sign up below for the newsletter. Appreciate the love as always. Have a great weekend.